Hi sellers, welcome to our video where you will learn how to create a sponsored products automatic campaign. In this video, we'll look at how automatic targeting allows you to quickly create a sponsored products campaign. First, a little more about what automatic targeting is. The automatic targeting method lets you gain insights on shopping activities and helps you discover new keywords that are generating clicks and sales, since our system is continuously learning and automatically adapting your targeting. Automatic targeting is a great way to start your first sponsored products campaign and learn from the results so you can then go on and create manual campaigns. So, if you're launching a new product in a different category or you're looking to expand into new marketplaces, automatic targeting method can help give you insights and reach new audiences. Get started by signing in to Seller Central and then going to your campaign manager. First, you're going to go into the advertising console and click Create Campaign. From there, you'll then choose Sponsored Products as your campaign type to get started. Next, you need to define your ad group. Ad groups are useful if you have different types of products. For example, if you're a seller in the apparel category and you have women's kurtas across brands like Brand X, Brand Y, Brand Z, then you can keep different ad groups with different names. So, you can start with one brand, let's say Brand X Women's Kurtas, and the next ad group can be Brand Y Women's Kurtas. Let's proceed with the ad group Brand X Women's Kurtas. You can add all ASINs under this brand. You can add ASINs that you see here or type the ASINs in the search tab or upload an Excel file as per the provided template. After this, you have the option to choose between automatic and manual targeting. We will consider automatic targeting, and post that, you have to decide on the bid. Amazon sponsored products ads work on a cost per click basis, which means you are charged only when a customer clicks on your ads. The bid means the amount of money that you are willing to spend for one click on your ad. For example, if you keep the bid as ₹2, it means you agree to pay ₹2 every time a shopper clicks on your ad. Please note, the minimum bid is ₹1. Now let's take a closer look at the automatic targeting options that can help you refine how your ads are displayed when using automatic targeting. Your ads will be eligible to appear on Amazon shopping results pages as well as product detail pages based on multiple default strategies that we use on your behalf to match your ad to relevant customers' shopping queries. There are 4 targeting options in this case. 2 are keyword-based and 2 are product-based. You can decide whether you want to use all or only some of these defaults and how much you want to bid for them. Those options are close match, loose match, substitutes, and complements. With close match, keywords that are closely related to your ad are automatically assigned to your campaign. So, your ad may be shown to shoppers who use shopping queries that are closely related to your products. Loose match, on the other hand, adds to your campaign targeting keywords that are loosely related to your products. When it comes to substitutes, your automatic targeting will include products and brands that are similar to yours, so your ad may be shown to shoppers who visit the detail pages of products similar to yours. And finally, with complements, your automatic targeting will include keywords and products that complement your ad. So we may show your ad to shoppers who view the detail pages of products that complement your product. Here is an example that shows how each targeting option works on your automatic campaign. If you are advertising the Doppler 400 count cotton sheets with close match, your ad will target keywords like cotton sheets and 400 count sheets. With loose match, keywords like bed sheets and bed decor. With substitutes, your targeting will include ASINs that are similar to yours. For example, another sheet you sell or a similar sheet from another brand. And finally, with complements, the target includes ASINs that are complementary to the advertised product like comforters or pillows, since those are complementary to the sheets. Please note that you can define different bids for different targeting groups. The next important step is to define bidding strategy. The first one is called dynamic bids, up and down. If you select this, Amazon will increase your bids in real time for clicks that may be more likely to convert to a sale. and reduce them for clicks that are less likely to convert to a sale. Next is dynamic bids, down only. Amazon will reduce your bids in real time for clicks that may be less likely to convert to a sale. If Amazon sees an opportunity where we predict your ad may be less likely to convert to a sale, for example, a less relevant search query on a placement that doesn't perform well, etc., Amazon might lower your bid for that auction. And then, with fixed bids, Amazon will use your exact bid for all opportunities and won't adjust your bids based on likelihood of a conversion. Compared to dynamic bidding strategies, you may get more impressions, but fewer conversions for your ad spend with this strategy. To start with, we suggest you to select dynamic bids, down only. Then you want to define a name of your campaign, the start and end date, and we recommend keeping the campaign always on with no end date. Daily budget is the amount you are willing to spend on advertising campaign on a daily basis. Minimum budget is Rs 50. You can start with a daily budget of Rs 150. Then click on the launch campaign and your campaign will go live. Happy advertising! Thank you.